Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is a Stinger, the 2019 model. And here's everything you need. You need your new battery. This takes one 2032 battery. You can get these on Amazon, they're not expensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you right there. Take it to Amazon, get you what you need. And then I'm also going to use a thin little screwdriver. This isn't absolutely mandatory, but I think it's helpful. Okay, so first order of business is removing this key. So press down on this button, pull that out. All right. Now you can use the key to open up. It's basically this back half's going to pop off. So if you just put your key right in there, give it a little twist. There you go. Now this is where I'm just going to use my screwdriver and just gently push that out. I think it's a lot easier to use a tool instead of I tried the key originally, but it's a little bit too bulky. Okay, so basically take your new battery, plus side up, slide that in. All right, and put this back on here. Good squeeze together, there we go. And you're back in action. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.